Hey girls, this is Francesca, and in this tutorial, I show you how to edit our intros with KineMaster. First, start the app. Click on a new project and choose your desired aspect ratio. Now, the timeline opens. Press the media button and go to your download folder to import your downloaded intro. With a double click on the video track, you can select it and cut left and right. Next, we import our click sound by clicking the audio button. Press on the audio clip and hold with your finger to adjust the position. Cut the audio file to the right size. Push the play button to preview your intro. Next, we import some cute background music by clicking the audio button. Press the plus to import the song into the timeline. Use both fingers to scale the timeline by sliding it together or apart. Find a part of the song that fits into the intro especially well. Press the song once and select the scissors in the menu to cut it. Next, we add the text. Press the layer button and then on text. Now, you can enter your channel name. Scale your name and choose a nice font and color. You can use outlines and shadows to make the text stand out. I think that looks pretty cool. Next, add some cool animations to the text for more movement in your intro. For this, use the in, out, and the overall animation button. Oh, I think that looks pretty cool. Let's check it out. Here, adjust a little bit. Okay, I think that looks good. Next, we adjust the volume by clicking on the audio clips and then on the speaker. If you want to let the music fade in, you can set keyframes. For this, move a little into the music track and add a keyframe. Add your additional keyframe at the beginning. Set this to 0%. We'll do the same at the end of the song. To export the video, press the share button. For a good quality, choose Full HD and 30 frames per second. That's it. I think we are finished now. Make sure to hit subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. So, and now, let's watch together what the intro looks like.